find yourself marveling at the craft of woodworking and wondering how a skilled craft worker can make some of the most beautiful things out of wood? Woodworking is indeed a commendable craft, one which requires a lot of practice and expertise. But what if we told you that you could acquire all the skills necessary without going through a lot of hassle? While it may seem far-fetched, Ted's plans are your guide to creating fantastic projects yourself. A little while ago, we learned about Ted's woodworking plans. The product is designed such that anybody can start woodworking. It doesn't matter what your skill level, the guidelines provided will help you out. Not only that, but it has a library of over 16,000 different projects. We were intrigued by the claims made and thought that we should try it out ourselves and write a review about it. This article will be a review of Ted's woodworking plans from our experience. We were indeed a little skeptical about the product in the beginning. However, our perception of it has changed drastically. Ted's woodworking plans are undoubtedly the best guide for all the aspiring woodworkers out there. With a vast library that is frequently updated, you can explore your creativity better. Woodworking may seem a little intimidating, and the resources available online are not very helpful. However, Ted's woodworking plans are revolutionary. Detailed guidelines are provided with each project that takes you, step by step, through the project, ensuring that you complete your project with perfection and save time exploring online resources. Ted's woodworking plans are to help out all the novices in the field of woodworking, who would otherwise feel lost and give up on their projects. It does not matter what level of skills you have, as long as you are good at following the instructions, you can create hundreds of different projects. Here are some of the key features of the product. A detailed instruction manual. Inadequate guidelines are any woodworker's nightmare. You will realize halfway through your project that the online manual you are following is missing crucial details. This is not the case with Ted's woodworking plans. Each and every project comes with an extensive set of instructions and thorough guidelines. Materials and cutting list. The product also ensures that you don't waste any time and money in buying the wrong materials. A thorough material and the cutting list are provided, which saves you a lot of trouble. Schematics. Along with the detailed instructions, detailed schematics and blueprints are also provided with each plan. Multi-angle views. With these images, you can have a reference for each step of the process, and all the guesswork is eliminated. You will know how your product should look like at each step so that it is not too late to rectify any error. More than 16,000 plans. A library of projects this big seems endless, yet new projects are added to it every month, and that too without any additional costs. Ted's is indeed an excellent product for anyone who is inclined towards woodworking. It caters to all the different expert levels. From beginners to skilled workers, everyone can benefit from these plans. If you want to practice it as a hobby, or if you're going to take it up as a career, either way, Ted's plans is a brilliant first step. You can check it out here. Get started today with Ted's woodworking plans today.